Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take our Cloud Code to the next level. Today's tip is create helper functions for common tasks. It's very common that during the flow of your application you have the same operation to run in multiple modules. So instead of having every single module doing a type of operation that other modules also do, you can create a helper function that is context independent, which means it can be run from any module and does the exact same task. This will concentrate all your code in just one place and make it easier to maintain over time. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you already subscribed, thank you for that. If you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.